female pain during sexual intercourse. Are you experiencing painful sex? You are not alone according to the North American Menopause Society, NAM's national seminar. If it isn't or influenced by periodic pain, it is more menopausal than the United States and 45% of post-menopausal women 65%. Medical term is Dyspareunia for painful sex. 1. Vaginal dryness. These cases can be accounted for due to estrogen levels due to vaginal defects. Vaginal sinus usually occurs in estrogen when a drop occurs, which can affect the amount or the firmness of your vaginal moisture. 2. Vaginal infection. Any vaginal dryness problem? Whether it's time to show your doctor or not to be a trip, there is no infection. Two common vaginal infections are more likely to appear, and the bacteria can cause both yeast infections and bacterial Wagnerism pain. Bacterial vaginitis, BV, can include a thin white or gray-white discharge symptom, an irritant smell, itching, irritation, and in some cases, painful sex. On the other hand, the yeast may be burning in the vagina for thick, white discharge, itching, and vaginal and possibly painful sex around signs of infection. 3. Sexually transmitted diseases. Sex disease, STD, can be transmitted to sex after vaginal dryness and vaginal infection. Genital warts, herpes blisters, or other STDs can be blamed. If there is a possibility that you should get an STD, you should visit your doctor, check it out. They may be able to determine what your problem is. If you are sexually active, it is often important to test because some STDs are difficult to deal with. Even if you are experiencing any symptoms, the STD may cause general causes and more serious complications. 4. Pelvic inflammatory disease. If you have transmitted the infection, STD, and vaginal drying, the pelvic inflammatory disease can cause painful sex. Pelvic disease, PID, then when the tissues arise like bad inside the tissues and cause pain to slow pain. 5. Veganisms. Painful sex may give fifth potential veganisms. Veganisms can be on a general condition that the wall of the intravenous intestinal muscles of the cells, which can make the very painful reach. Painful sex is often a woman oniony, and the doctor will indicate that for the first time, even if it does not. It is usually associated with anxiety and fear of sex. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get more health tips.